Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We continue learning about fractional equation, and in this video I want to give you another level in this topic. So in last video you already learned about the diagonal method or crossline. So if you have fractional equation or equivalence fraction, you will have to sometimes you have to find this equation like x plus 3 over 5 equal to 2 over 3. So what kind of this question? This question is equivalent fraction, but sometimes you have to find the numerator or denominator have expression. So this is expression. For this expression, you also apply diagonal method or crossline. So you will put the arrow in here. We have two arrow, one arrow and two arrow. And then you will got new expression like 3 multiply x plus 3. And then the other one you got 5 times 2. So the first expression, that's like the normal way when you want to solve linear equation with bracket. The first step, we will break or expand the bracket. You got 3 times x plus 3 times 3, and the other side will be 10. And then simplify it. You got 3 times x plus 9 equal to 10. And then you got 3 times x equal to 10 minus 9. And then you got 1. Okay, so look at this. You got x equal to 1 over 3. Yeah, that is the first way, that is the first example when you want to solve equivalent fraction with expression. So this is the another example. For this one, you can do it like this. We have this, and you got this one equal to 3 and 5 here. Okay, a little bit complicated, but you can see now we just have fractional equation. Left hand side is fractional form and the other side will be fractional form. So for solving this equation, this is very hard equation, but we just apply very basic diagonal method. Okay, so from this one you will have x minus 2 arrow to 5 is mean 5 will multiply x minus 2. We will write down like 5 multiply x minus 2 like this. And the other side or the other arrow, you got x plus 1 arrow to 3. So 3 here, and you got x plus 1 like this. Expand first bracket, you got 5 times x and minus 5 times 2. And the other one, you got x times 3 plus with 3 times 1. Yeah, okay, so here you got 5x minus 10 equal to 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so you have x in both sides of this equation, and I want to rearrange. I want to find x, keep unchanged in left hand side, and 3x from right hand side to left hand side. Oh, sorry, 5x in left hand side. So minus 10 from left, I move it to right, you got 10, and plus 3, this one is 13, and this is 2x. Okay, so you got x equal to 13 divided by 2 like this. Yeah, okay, so you can see now, maybe for first two example here, we have another form. But basically, or the fundamental knowledge about this one, you already have equivalent fraction or fractional equation, and we apply diagonal method or crossline method, and then that fraction form will become to the normal linear equation with bracket or non-bracket. Yeah. So after that, we solve one by one, step by step. Expand bracket, simplify it, change x together, and then you apply capital on top for finding the final result for h1. Okay, that's all. So apply for this one. How can you work with these two exercises? So I want you to apply diagonal first, this diagonal, and for this one, okay, 5 times x plus 2, and the other one you got 4 times 3. Expand you got 5 times x plus 5 times 2, this is 12. 5 times x equal to 12 minus 10, and then you got 2 in right hand side. Left hand side you got 5x, and x equal to captain on top. 2 is captain, so 2 over 5. Okay, how about this one? Apply this diagonal. You got 3 times 4 and 2 times 2x plus 3. So the first step, you simplify, expand the bracket, and then we simplify also. This is 12, this is 4x, and this is 6. I move 6 from right hand side to left hand side. Oh, sorry, this is not 16, this is 12. And the other one, you got 4x, and here you got 6 equal to 4 times x. So 6 divided by 4, and then you got 3 over 2 after you simplify this fraction. Yeah, that is the way how can you solve your working out for solving equivalent fraction. Example 3, you got this one, and we also apply diagonal. 2 times 5 and 4 times 3 minus 2x. So 2 times 5 is 10, and this is 3 times 4 minus 4 times 2x. So here is 10, this is 12, and this is 8h. So at the same time, I will move negative 8h from right hand side to left hand side. It becomes 8h only. Negative change to positive. And about 10 from left, I move it to right, and then I've got 2 in this one. Okay, 8h. So for h here, you got 2 over 8. Simplify it by divide both numerator and denominator by 2. We got 1 over 4. Question 4, the same thing, but carefully about this one, because we see that this appear negative number in here. Okay, diagonal. Negative 3 outside, we multiply 4 minus x. The other side, or the other multiplication, you got 2 times 5. Okay, here is 10. This one you got minus 12. Carefully about this, you got negative 3 times negative x. So we got plus 3h in this equation and equal to 10. So I will move negative 12 from left to right. 10 plus 12, and then you got 20. 3 times x, so 22 divided by 3. Yeah, that is the answer for question 4. A little bit longer than another exercise, of course. Equivalent fraction is never easy topic to students, but I think until now you can understand more about equivalent fraction. Okay, and the last 2 questions, you got this one, and okay, question 5 and question 6. For question 5, you got like this, multiply negative 2. So 4 times 2x minus 4 times 5 equal minus 14. You got 8x equal minus 14 plus 20. So this is equal to 6. This one is 8x. You got h will be captain on top, and divide by 2, you got 3, divide by 2, you got 4. Okay, 3 over 4. Now you got 5 times 4 plus 3x equal to 7 times negative 3, and 5 times 4 plus 5 times 3x negative 21. Simplify it, you have this. And then how to solve? Very easy. Now move 20 from left to right, you got this, and minus 41 and 15h in here. So h will be negative 41 divided by 15. Divide by 15. Yes, that's it. That's the question 6. Okay, so for this video we learn more harder about fractional equation, but maybe it will be harder because we appear expression in numerator or denominator. But the main point here is just put that expression you put that expression inside the bracket, and then the normal way apply diagonal method or cross line to change from fractional become to non-fractional form. That's all. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.